Hi friends, I am Malatesh Akkur from Jain University. I am going to explain the Zoom app how to use by a beginner. So to download this app, just type Zoom on the Google search. You'll get a lot of resources. Just click on download. You'll get a file, install it, and open it. It will ask for the to create a or to sign up, to create a password also. Create it. Later you will get a screen like this. Here you can see new meeting, join, schedule, share screen and all those things. Now I'll show you how to join the meeting first. If anyone has shared the meeting, just click on this, enter the meeting ID, and once you click it, you'll ask for the password. Click it and you can join the meeting. Next, if you want to schedule and share to others, just click on this. So you'll get some information. You can change the timing also, and you can use the personal ID. Whenever you create an ID, you'll get a personal meeting ID. You can start the meeting on your personal meeting ID, or you can generate an automatic meeting ID also while scheduling. You can change the date, timing, and all things. Just by default, I'll click it now. Now it's going to schedule a meeting. So meeting is the created now. Go to the meetings. So just now we have created a meeting. So this is the meeting. All the information will be there. You can start. So many are there. All these are the previously scheduled. Whenever click, its information will come here, and click on this, and it will be copied. The link will be copied, and you can paste in the email or the WhatsApp group and forward to the others to whom you want to join for the meeting. And to start the meeting, simply click this. The meeting will be started, and others will enter the meeting ID and the password what you had sent to them, and come back to the home. I'll show you how to. Here that this is a profile picture is the better, because once you join the meeting, they can see your picture or your name also. Just you click on this settings. Here profile will be there. Click on that. Here the picture, in the beginning the picture will not be there. Now I have already set it. Click on this. So it will show empty in the beginning, and change the picture or upload, it will ask it, and select the folder and the particular picture. I'm going to click this, so it will change, and you can crop also. Wherever you want, you can just save it. So now it's changed. Okay. If you want to go back or put other picture, can change anything. Now save it. Okay. Well, these are the general features. You can practice them later. I'll close it. So joining the meeting is over, and scheduling the meeting is over, and a new meeting you can start. Otherwise, you can start a particular meeting. Just you go to the meetings and start it. So it will appear like this. So in the beginning you can observe at the left bottom corner the audio and video will be there. It is better to uh, in muted so that others can join, and later you can switch on the audio and the video. So here it will show the how many have joined. You can see all those, the list here once the people join. And the very important, the features are what the record and the share screen plays a very important role in our we can, using this share screen, we can share the laptop screen, or we can share the ppt, or we can share the document or pdf file or whatever it is, or video also we can share. Now let us practice one of these. So the record, just click unmute myself. So here you can observe in the left corner is a unmute is there, and you can switch on the video if you want. Otherwise the profile picture will be coming on. You can see the my profile picture here. Now I'll explain how to share the PPT and all. So just you move the mouse on the screen, you'll see this green share screen. Click that, and here already I have opened in the desktop on the screen. So these may be in the desktop, or maybe any other folders also, not a problem. But just you open them, which are the files you have opened. Whenever you click the share screen, it will show the all those files. And now click on any one of these, then click on share. So that will share to the all opposite the people. Yeah, you can see this is the screen, and you can go for the slideshow. Start from the beginning as usual you can view. So just you keep on down going arrow mark, it starts to run. Okay, so this is as and you can uh, explain the respective slides. So to stop it, go to the top, stop share. So we'll come back to the original. Then if you want to share the other files, for example this is a PDF file. See the PDF files will appear, and all other members who have joined can see that. You can scroll down and explain if you want. Then once we finish, you can stop it, and you can share the Word file also. For example, this is the Word file. Yeah, see here is one of the Word file, and you can go down how usually we go in, it will be seen by all the members who are logged in. Stop it, and you can share the video also. So this is the video. Click on that and click on share. So it will appear. Just to play it here.
Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I thought
So
I'd
this is how
take a quick
we can
look
play
at
the
the Arduino
video also
Uno
on the
board
screen.
that came with the Arduino starter kit that I purchased. This is the box that initially
This
in.
is the Arduino.
Okay, there's the Arduino.
We can show till the end. One more important feature in the share screen is you can share the whiteboard also. Click on this whiteboard and click on share. So you will find the whiteboard on the screen for everyone. Here if you go to draw, select the pattern what you want. You can draw whatever you want, and you can select any color of the pen, and you can go for the spot light like arrow mark or something. So if you want on the screen, if you want to explain any the important points, you can put it here. So it will show the name with what we have logged in. If you want to explain this somewhere here on the screen, you can put here, so that to grab the attention of the uh, students or the people who are logged in. And you can go for the text also, and can type something to explain. It will be visible for everyone. So like this. So this will be visible for everyone, and this is the eraser. Whatever you have worked out, can erase it. Okay. Like undo and redo are there, and the format you can select the any colors for writing and all. And this is the stamp, like checkbox or cross something. You can put it here, yes, or cross something like this. So we can utilize these wherever it is required. Then go for the to finish this, go for stop share. And on the screen also, while explaining the PPT, for example, let's share the PPT now. So we can, during the explanation, like this, when we explain, say for example, go to the screen, select the annotate. If you click this, will appear, we can see all these things what we practiced just now. Say for example, the spotlight. So if you want to explain this, the sensor, just we can put it this and explain about it. And while explaining about the Arduino, just put it. And this is the power jack, and this is the battery, and these are the wheels which are connected to the motors, and also we can explain one by one. And of course all these just now what we discussed. Hence, in an efficient way, we can uh, explain the real-time class for the students or the teachers. We can. It is not only for the students, not only for the teachers, and to train the people in the industries. And this Zoom uh, meeting app is being used by the uh, industry people in a wide way to conduct the uh, conference meetings and all those things. I hope this is useful for you people. Thank you.